Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. We took apart an 8K HDMI cable from UGREEN several weeks ago, and we got another similar cable from Dell. Today we will also take it apart to check its internal design. This is the original cable that comes with a Dell monitor, so there is no packaging. The weight of this cable is about 82 grams. Both ends adopt a matte black design. The HDMI and 8K are engraved here. It adopts a full pin design, and take a closer look at those pins. The length of this cable is about 1.5 meters, and the diameter is 6 mm. After the brief introduction, let's take a look at what wires it is made of inside. After removing the outer plastic, there is a metal cover inside, and then use the spatter to pry along the gap. The internal junction is covered by tape for insulation, and the shorting layer of the cable is wrapped with copper foil. Until with the tape wrapped on the junction, and the wires are fixed by injection molding. First, clean up the junction. We can see all wires are connected here. Next, remove the metal cover on the internal pins. All pins inside are gold-plated to reduce oxidation. After taking apart the connector, let's cut off the cable. From the cross-section, we found 5 pairs of blue and white shorting wires, and some tensile fibers are in the middle to increase the strength. Like other cables, there is a layer of woven shorting net. And another layer of aluminum foil for shorting is under it. All wires are wrapped within this aluminum foil. Let's separate them one by one. Those 5 thicker wires are the blue and white shorting wires we just mentioned. The other 4 thinner wires are used for some auxiliary functions. The structure of the pink, yellow, blue, green, and orange wires are the same. The white wire and blue wires are used for differential signal transmission, and the bare wire is for grounding. There is no tensile fibers inside the remaining 4 wires, and they were used for auxiliary functions. These are the additional tensile fibers in the middle. Well, that's all wires and components inside this Dell 8K HDMI cable. After taking it apart, we found it adopts a metal cover, injection molding, and insulation tape to ensure a stable user experience. Like the UGREEN HDMI cable we talked about before, it also integrates 5 thick wires for differential signal transmission and another 4 wires for other functions. Okay, that's all for today's video. You can also click the corners to check other cable teardown videos. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!